Sister, what are you doing? I need something. Okay, so I know you be sending me my own batch of body butter. And you know the vanilla is my favorite, the refresh is my favorite, but listen, I've been going to all this stuff and people have been saying like, "Oh my God, you smell so good," and all. You need to open back up. What are we doing? The girls want to smell good. The guys want to smell good, and you are the one to do it. Anybody who's tried that body butter already, they know it's elite. And I've been using it nonstop since you started making it. Bitch, it's time. Hey, Ray. Some of the girls at work want to know when will you have some of your body butter ready for sale?
What kind do you want?
Vanilla cookie, girl.
All right, you gonna have to give me a minute.
All right, thank you.
Oh God, get away from me.
Hey, Mom, what you doing?
Hey, love. Nothing about to start that body butter.
Dude, can I help you?
Yeah, you can help. Okay. All right.
I can't wait till the new butter comes out. I bet you guys can't figure it out.
What's up, gang? I am Sharia or Ria. A lot of you know that I had a skincare company. Yes, it's called Bakery Skincare. I came up with this skincare brand back in 21, 22. First off, I had so much fun making this body butter. It was really cool at the time. I started to get in the hang of it. Yeah, it just kind of took off. So years went by and I kind of got sidetracked. Life be life. I want to take you guys on a journey with me to rebrand. I want to rebrand. I want to rebuild. I want to test different products. I want to test different formulas. I want to rebuild my skincare brand. And I'm like, oh, Sharia, girl, what happened? Yeah, what happened to your skincare? It's still there, baby. It's still there. Life happens. You know, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, got a busy life. Oh, y'all want to know where I've been? Like, I can't be busy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I have a job, but I love this. This is my baby. This skincare is my baby, and I do absolutely miss it. I miss entertaining y'all with it, and it was really good. I built this like all by myself. Like of course I'm proud of myself. You know what I mean?
I built this shit, me, brick by brick.
I don't know. Like sometimes stuff just be getting in the way. We allowed to like reset, reboot, start over and 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 over. So the scents that I came up with, and these are OGs. These are ones that they're not going anywhere. Vanilla cookie, that's the number one. If you know, you know. The second one is lemon cake. The third one is a mystery one. You want to come along with the ride, and the fourth one as well. So it's going to be 4 cents all together. So my goal is to, like I said, relaunch this thing, and I want to bring you guys with me. I want to share with you how I'm making it. I want to go test for new scents. I want to do new containers, all of that all together. It's gonna be some new stuff coming along with it, and yeah, I'm like super excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm glad to have y'all support. I love you. Also, comment down below if you made a purchase from me. Please comment down below and share and send your support this way, because we back, baby. Come on, my OGs, come on. I'm excited about this goal of mine, and I'm just all for positive energy, and I want y'all here for the ride.